Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your BitPay account's password. If you've forgotten your password during logging into BitPay, then here is how you can easily reset to a new one. Open a web browser to get started and go to the URL box and type in bitpay.com. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official site for BitPay. Go ahead and click on the login button appearing at the top right hand corner and it'll take you to the sign in page for bitpay.com. To sign in or log into BitPay, you'll need to enter your email address followed by your account's password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, simply go ahead and click on Forgot Your Password link at the bottom. Now, on the next page, go ahead and enter your registered email address for BitPay. Once you are done, click on Reset Password. You'll then receive an email with instructions to reset your password in this provided email address. Go ahead and log into your email inbox and click open the email from BitPay where it says reset your password. Now, click on the change password button appearing inside your inbox and then it'll take you to a new page where you can easily enter the new password you'd like to reset to for your BitPay account. While choosing a password, make sure to choose the password which will be easier for you to remember. After you are done, click on Reset Password and you'll be able to reset your password to something else for BitPay. Next time you try to log into your account, make sure to enter your email and the correct password that you just reset to and click on Submit to get access back to your account. So that was how you can easily recover your BitPay account or simply reset your password to something else on BitPay. If you found the video to be helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.